Hey guys, why we are so behind the deadline for this project? It should have been finished by now.
Yes, Yogesh. When we started this project, we had just 10 requirements. But now there are 25. When did we added these extra requirements?
Yes, Pulkit. Also, we have been reworking the same task over and over. How can we prevent this from happening and avoid rework?
Also remember we initially set the project budget of 1 million, but now it's completely different. When did we start overspending and where did these extra expenses come from?
I understand your concerns. We don't seem to have a proper way to track all these changes. Every time something shifts, it feels like we are starting from scratch.
Hey wait, why not use BaselineX to solve all these problems?
BaselineX? But what's that?
BaselineX is a tool that helps us track the current state of our issues, capture snapshot, and ensure we never lose sight of what has changed over time.
Hey, that sounds interesting. Can you give us a short tour of how it works?
Let me show you how BaselineX can solve your problems. Find BaselineX app in the Apps menu. Now, with BaselineX, you can create a baseline that stores important details like name, description, budget, and owner. You can see a baseline here with detailed information.
But where are the issues and how we can link them to the baseline?
To link issues to the baseline, move to the Issues page. Select the issue you want to link to the baseline. Click on the Link to Baseline button. This opens a drop-down where you can select one or more baselines to link the issue. After linking the issue, move back to the baseline homepage. Now, each baseline shows the baseline details and issues linked to it. Now, let's say we want to commit this baseline.
But what does committing the baseline mean?
Great question. Committing a baseline means freezing its state, so no further modifications can be made. All the issue snapshots are stored, and now you can see both the baseline data as well as the current state of the issues.
Okay, when a baseline is committed, what happens if a issue changes in Jira?
When a baseline is committed, the app stores the snapshot of each issue, and you can always compare it with the current state of the issue in Jira. This way you have full visibility on what has changed.
Okay, what if I want to mark a baseline as completed?
Once the baseline is committed and all the linked issues are resolved, you can mark the baseline as completed. It helps indicates that all the changes under the baseline have been successfully implemented.
Yes, this is exactly what we needed to avoid rework and confusion.
Nice. So no more guessing when changes were made and what the original plan was.
Wow, I can't wait to use this app. Now it's going to make tracking so much easier.
So, Monica, what's next in the roadmap for this app?
We have some exciting updates lined up for the future of BaselineX. Let me walk you through what's coming next on our roadmap. Improved user interface, customizable dashboards, advanced reporting, interactive visualizations, track changes and deviations, change logs, and impact analysis. These are just few of features we are working on. The goal is to ensure that BaselineX becomes your go-to tool for comprehensive project tracking and management.
Hey, thanks Monica for introducing us to BaselineX.
Thank you for joining this demo. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Till then, happy tracking.